2022 Kia. Today we're going to remove the air filter, the cabin filter, and this is the port number is right here. So we got this one from Napa. So first thing is we open the glove compartment and we remove these locks here. We twist it to the left and we play a little bit with those. Okay. Now this one to the left. Okay. And now we're going to remove this clip here. Just push it, pull it out. Alrighty. So the cabin filter is right here. So we're going to open this cover, and the air filter is here. So as you can see, it's full of leaves and pine straws. Okay, so carefully we remove it. So you can see it's really dirty. Alright, so we remove this pine straw and just make sure where the airflow is good, so it's going down. Okay, so we have here the new one, and we're gonna put in the same position the airflow down. So carefully we open this cover and we install the cabin filter. And just make sure it's in place and we lock the cover. Okay, make sure it's in place, so it's good. All right. So now we're going to put everything back together. Make sure the little strut there is down, and we'll reinstall the clip. Just play a little bit. There you go. And now we're going to install the locks. So now this one we're going to turn it to the right. Make sure it's in place. Turn it to the right. There you go. And the other one. Make sure it's in place. Yep. And the other one. Alright. So make sure everything works perfectly. Alright, so it works good. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's how you replace your cabin filter.